Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share an important video with you. So I'm using Canva premium version and I would like you guys to maybe a part of my team. So actually the thing is I have three space, like three, you can see my team here. So we are two people for this account, like right now, and there are three spaces that you any one of you can join my team, and you can drop your email id in the comment below. And also once I'll get like top three, whoever is going to comment it first, based on it I'll add three people in my Canva account. So I have just three spaces. So the thing is, the thing why I'm saying this or why I'm offering this, because there are a lot of features that Canva used to provide when it comes to premium version of it, and I would like you guys to explore it, or if maybe if you know everything then you can use it in a great manner. And yeah, just let me show you one thing that will help you to do a lot of things. Maybe there would be a lot of people who are into writing, or if you are in college, then also this can be so much helpful for you. And yes, the thing is, when you when you work for any company and when you are doing your college work, so it can help you to write a lot of things, right, in a great manner, in a very formal manner, and your English and your grammatical mistakes won't be there. Everything will be in flow. So let's talk about one thing. Let me check one thing. We can take anything, right? Even if we are writing, we are making any post, then also you can use it. Suppose right now I'm just taking one random thing, or I'll also tell you how you can convert a single line statement into a blog by using this magic write. And magic write you can also get through Canva premium, net not from free version of it. Okay, so let's take any random post just to show you a few features, because there are a lot of features and I would like just to cover one or two things. So first thing is using Canva premium you can get a lot of templates, that are there in this Canva. So if I talk about cheers to you, and you want to use magic writer, you want some other line, so you just need to click on more formal. Now you can see a toast to you. Again, if you want to make it a bit funny, then let me show you what you can do is, again go to magic write, go for more fun, or sprinkle fairy dust, whatever things. Here's to you, my dear. So it's a bit like you are sending it to some close ones. Okay, so now if I talk about this thing, okay, suppose if you want to write a good paragraph on it, so what you can do is continue writing. Now you can see I'm just showing you a few examples. Now you can see it here. Let me change the color of it so that it will be clearly visible to you guys. Actually the black background color is not at all okay. Let's change this thing. Now you can see it here. Okay, I'm just showing it, and it's not like template, like showing creativity or something. I've used this black color so that it will be clearly visible to all of you. Okay, so yeah, now you can see it here. Let me delete it too, and let's see this as we mark. Now it has written very nicely, right? So we need not to do a lot of things. You can see all the words and everything right here. So they have done it in a very good manner. We need not to spend a lot of time on it. So now if I talk about blog parts, we used to write blog for a company and maybe for your website. So let me show you something. What I'll do is I'll just write top 20. Okay, top 20. Let me think something again. Write an essay on Republic Day. Okay, I'm just giving you example. I know this is so foolish to write such thing, because we don't actually use Canva for this, but we used to write something, or we used to use it for maybe blogging or templates, so that we can handle social media platforms and everything. But I'm just showing you a few examples. Okay, or also there are some restrictions, like if you'll write something about Indian experience, bad experience, or will be trying to write something about negative experience or maybe your airlines or something, then Canva won't do it. So I have checked it with multiple things. Now you can see it here. So yeah, you can use it and for many reasons, for whatever purpose you want to. And I'll make videos on Canva feature and how you can use it, multiple things, so you can keep on checking. Even if you don't know about can anything about Canva, no, still you can just check my videos and you can start working on it. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Firstly, just go and comment below, and whoever is going to comment first, those top three people will be there in my team. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.